Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be providing a market analysis for Aptos. In this video, I'll cover some key levels of support and resistance, some moving averages like this yellow one, which is the 50-period average, as well as some trends I'm noticing here on the volume. So if you guys enjoy the content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. So first, I do want to talk about this support level coming in right around $7.60. And you can see this was first established as a key level shortly after Aptos' launch. We first had a bounce off this region, and then we came back down, and then in fact we flipped it right into resistance on this rejection, came down, came back up, retested it once again, forming resistance, and then another rejection right here. So 3 retests, each one holding resistance, and then notice how when we did break above this, it was a very significant breakout. So from this point, the breakout point at $7.60, Aptos actually rallied about 35% in just the following 24 hours. So a very significant move, and this is how we know that this is a key level. You can see coming into today, we actually have had 2 retests. This first one occurring earlier yesterday, and then this other one just a few hours ago. So this is a very key level of support for Aptos, and if it starts to break down and lose this, and we start to have some confirmation below this level, the next area I'm going to be watching out for as support is going to be this level coming in right around $7.05. Now this was a level that we did form these higher lows after the rejections back earlier since its launch. So those are the key levels of support, and those are the areas where I would expect buyers and demand to start to step in. Now in terms of resistance, I'm going to be looking at these 2 levels. First, let's talk about this moving average here in yellow. This is going to be the 50-period SMA. And we can see how going back here to when it first formed after 50 bars, it acted as support. When we got back above it, we held it as support on this bounce right here, and then we continued up higher to this breakout. And then eventually we came back down, and then we in fact flipped it right into resistance. We had these rejections right here, as well as another rejection right here. And Aptos has just been basically oscillating back and forth between support and resistance. Currently, this moving average is resistance. You can see this rejection right here. We came up to this level, a few bars trying to get back above this. Ultimately, it failed, and then we had that rejection back down to the support around $7.60. So moving forward, this is a key level that Aptos does need to reclaim. And if Aptos can get back above this level, and as an illustration, if we just come back above this, hold it as support, the next area I'm going to be watching out to as our resistance is going to be this region right around $8.50. Now we can see how going back here to its initial launch, this is the candle where it had this first big rejection. You can see Aptos came right up into this zone, rejected off of it, came back up for a second retest, again holding it as resistance, and then eventually when we did get that breakout, it came back above this and then flipped it right into support on this bounce here. So if we do break above the 50-period average and we start to have a move back up, this is the level where I would expect the sellers and the supply to be, just because of how key this has been ever since its launch back here about 2 weeks ago. So those are the key levels I will be watching out for Aptos. I hope you guys enjoyed the content and the analysis. By the way, make sure to check out our sponsors in the link in the description below. This channel is partnered with the cryptocurrency exchange FTX.us. You can sign up with my referral link or with my referral code SNOWYCRYPTO and get a 5% discount on exchange fees over at FTX.us. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.